Jesus! Where's Moses?
Ruin. Christmas is my jam. I was born in Bethlehem. Mary gave birth to me in a manger, and the shepherd was a stringer. It's a bit odd, but I'm the gift from God. I might be dead, but you're the one with the big head.
I'm the one with the big head. You're the one on the cross. Not looking like a boss, so you better behave, cause I'm the one who saved all those slaves.
Even though I was crucified, I never told one lie. Those sins you hear, I never came near. I made water into wine, it tasted mad fine. I walked on water and saved a few sons and daughters, when you was the one who's gonna get slaughtered.
I parted the sea, so who are you gonna tell? This person I'm supposed to be, saying that I slaughtered, and you saved all these daughters? That ain't right, so you wanna fight? Cause I'll show you what's true.
I performed miracles, and what did you do? Gave the 10 commandments. That's right, where did you get them? My father, so don't even bother.
You're so obvious, I could tell you're jealous. So come on over here, I'll tell you something I always say. To all the people that pray, hey yo, let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go.
Yo, 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 yo. I know why you wore that, cause your face was an epic fail. But I have myself a few holidays, a few exact. Christmas and Easter. Let's see if you can top that.